Hello friends, again I am here with MCQs on current affairs for BPSC. Question number 1. What is the name of a scheme launched by Bihar government to provide fiber optic connectivity to villages? A. BharatNet, B. Ghar Tak Fiber, C. Digital India, D. Bihar Fiber Scheme. Answer is Ghar Tak Fiber. The Ghar Tak Fiber scheme aims to provide high-speed internet connectivity to rural areas of Bihar. Each and every house will get connected through internet. Question number 2. Who is the chairperson of National Commission for Women, NCW? It goes on changing we have to tell who is the present chairman. Option is A. Rekha Sharma, B. Sushma Swaraj, C. Mamta Sharma, D. Vijay K. Rahatkar. Answer is B. Vijay K. Rahatkar, who is the chairman from 22nd October 2024. The NCW is a statutory body. NCW is National Commission of Women. It is a statutory body that works towards protecting and promoting the rights of women in India. Now, some questions from economy. What is the primary objective of the PM Kusum scheme? A. Promoting renewable energy. B. Improving agricultural productivity. C. Enhancing rural infrastructure. D. Supporting small-scale industries. Answer is A. Promoting renewable energy. The PM Kusum scheme aims to promote the use of solar energy in agriculture and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Now, question number 4. Which country is India's top trading partner in 2019-20? Answer is A. China, B. USA, C. UAE, D. Saudi Arabia. Answer is A. China. So it is based on current information. Answer may vary, but India's trade relations with various countries impact its economy and policy decisions. During that tenure, the trade was with China. Now, some questions from geography. Which river flows north in Bihar? This is question number 5. A. Ganga, B. Kosi, C. Gandak, D. None of the above. Answer is D. None of the above. The rivers mentioned flow south or generally follow an eastward course. Understanding the geography of Bihar is crucial for BPSC examination, so these questions may prove important. Next question is from history. Question number 6. Who spearheaded the 1857 revolt in Bihar? A. Kunwar Singh, B. Babu Jagjeevan Ram, C. Jayaprakash Narayan, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Kunwar Singh. Kunwar Singh played a significant role in the Indian rebellion of 1857 in Bihar. Now, question from science. What type of radiation is used in treating muscle ache? A. Infrared radiation, B. Ultraviolet radiation, C. X-ray radiation, D. Gamma radiation. Answer is A. Infrared radiation. Infrared radiation is used for therapeutic purpose, including pain relief. Now, question from polity. Which article of the Indian Constitution relates to the establishment of the Election Commission? Election Commission is very much in news. A. Article 324, B. Article 325, C. Article 326, and D. Article 327. Any idea? Answer is A. Article 324. Article 324 deals with the Election Commission of India, which oversees elections in the country. Now, question from environment. How many Indian beaches have been selected for the Blue Flag certification? A5, B10, C12, D 15. Answer is C 12. Again, if it has been increased, then answer will vary, but current information is it is 12. The blue flag certification recognizes beaches that meet certain environmental and safety standards. Now, some questions Bihar specific. What is the per capita net state domestic product at constant prices of for Bihar? A rupees 50,000, B rupees 60,000, C rupees 63,000 approximately, D none of the above. Answer is C rupees 63,000 approximately. The answer is based on data, so it may vary so that it is said approximately. Understanding Bihar's economic indicator is essential for the BPSC exam, so it is important question. Now, one question from aptitude also. It is a combination of all types of question. A person travels 5 kilometer east and then 3 kilometer west. East, then west. What is the shortest distance between the starting point and the ending point? Option A 2 kilometer, B 5 kilometer, C 8 kilometer, D none of the above. Answer is B A 2 kilometer. The person ends up 2 kilometer east of the starting point and 5 kilometer minus 3 kilo 5 kilometer east minus 3 kilometer west is equal to 2 kilometer. Now, question from general science. Question number 12. What is the unit of measurement for light year? A time, B distance, C speed, D none of the above. Answer is B distance. A light year is a unit of distance equivalent to the distance light travels in 1 year. Now, one question from History of India. Question number 13. Who established the Swaraj Party in 1923? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, D. none of the above. Answer is C. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru.